Thanks for choosing BlackVue to provide you with the ultimate peace of mind. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of BlackVue's box main unit and front-facing camera. Here's a look at the components we'll use for this installation. Before starting, we recommend powering up your main unit and pairing it with the wireless button. You can do this by holding the button down in close proximity to the unit. A beep will indicate pairing is complete, and you can now use the BlackVue app with Wi-Fi Live View to confirm your lens orientation is optimal. With the key provided, open the lock on the main unit. Press the side release button and remove the cover. Insert the micro SD card into the slot. Now, insert all cables, including the power, coaxial, and USB accessories through the cover slits and connect them to their respective ports. The angled ends of the coaxial cables go into the box port, and the straight end connects to the camera ports. You may want to leave the cover open as you run all the cables. If you hear a warning upon powering up, ensure the front camera is connected to the front camera port. Before you install the main box unit, determine the best place to install it. We recommend choosing an out-of-sight location, like your glove compartment or under a seat. Next, choose a location for the wireless button. A place that's easily accessible and within arm's reach is best. Now, for the front camera. Proper placement is in the center of the windshield just below the rearview mirror, facing forward. Wipe the area with the alcohol pad to ensure it's clean and dry before mounting. Unscrew the tamper-proof side cover, plug the straight end of the coaxial cable into the camera, and screw the tamper-proof cover back onto the camera unit. Next, peel the adhesive tape from the back of the camera and press it firmly against the glass. Adjust the lens angle by rotating the body to ensure optimal viewing angle. Using the 12-volt cable provided, connect the camera to your vehicle's cigarette power socket. Be sure that your ignition is on and your dashcam LED will light up, indicating the connection was successful. To finish, use the pry tool to hide wires under the headliner, plastic molding, or rubber sealing. Avoid running cables in any way that would interfere with airbag deployment. For more information, visit BlackVue.com.